Lydia, what do you got? What are you holding? What do you got? What's that?
It's cheese.
Cheese. What are you doing with it?
It's so good.
You're what?
I like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
Are you eating it
Yeah.
or playing with it?
I play it.
You're playing with it? Why? Aren't you supposed to eat it?
Yes.
What? No, don't put it on your foot. Hucky. Lydia. Hucky. Why are you doing that? Why?
No.
You're rolling it? Why? Why?
Yeah.
Why?
Yes.
Why?
Yes.
Why?
Yes.
We're gonna do the tulips?
Yeah, in a little bit. You want to go see tulips?
Yes.
Okay.
Will I wait a second?
Yes.
No.
Yeah.
No.
No.
Lydia, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Me.
Oh, here.
Miss.